In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 20-ounce Skinny Tumbler Magic Mockup file, along with the action that comes with it. This is a mockup that I've already done. I'm just going to show you how to take your template that you have for your 20-ounce Skinny Tumbler and apply it to this mockup. So this is a file that I just completed, and I'm going to be adding to my Etsy store. This beverage is certified alcohol free. So you hit your Control A to select the entire file. You want to get all the layers, so you're going to hold down on your Control and Shift key and hit the C button at the same time. Next, you're going to go back to your Skinny Tumbler Magic Mockup file. Now we want to paste that template into our file. So hit Control V and it pastes the template. This is the way it'll paste. It'll be aligned at the top, it'll be aligned in the center, and there'll be a little bit hanging out over the bottom edge, which is just fine. And it is in this, is just below the highlight and shadows, which we don't want. We just want to haul it up here. Just bring it up till you get those double blue lines and let it go. In order for this action to work, you need to double click on the name of the layer and change it to Design. Capital D-E-S-I-G-N. Anything other than that and the action won't work. So next we're going to go to our actions. I don't have mine open right now, so I'm just going to go in Window and open that up. When you unzip your file that you purchased from Etsy, you can just go in to your actions palette. Up in the right hand corner there's some dashes, some little lines there. Just click on that and say load actions, and then you can navigate to the folder where you unzipped your file. You look for this action, Skinny Tumbler, and you click it and load. Mine's already loaded, but I can do it again. Okay, so here we have it now. Oh, I got it twice now, which is fine. So the name of the set is Skinny Tumbler, and the name of the action is Skinny Tumbler Magic Mockup. So highlight the Skinny Tumbler Magic Mockup action, and then you're just going to hit your play button, which is down at the bottom of your actions palette. Just hit play, and it'll do all the work for you. It'll take that file and it'll place it exactly and resize it to where it needs to be to give you a perfect mockup. You'll get some funny looking stuff come up there. If you have a previous file, it'll show what you had there previously. So we're just going to watch it go through the steps now. So I've speeded this up a little bit because the computer that I'm on is really, really slow. So we can just watch it go through here. If your computer is fast, it might do it as fast as this. My other computer at my shop does it very fast. So there it is. There's your mockup. Now if you like, you can double click on the hue and saturation adjustment layer and change the color of the background to whatever matches your mockup. This magic mockup is available for purchase on our Etsy store, and the link's in the description below. Please like and subscribe to receive notifications of when we put up new videos.